We are going to render out now to a H.264 file using Media Encoder out of After Effects. Okay, to do this, what we are going to do is we have our project right here. I know it looks a little different from the class example, but we have our project here, and what we are going to do is select the timeline here, because this is what we want to render out. We are going to go up to Composition, and we are going to go to Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue. Okay, this takes a while to pull up, so I've already done this, and it's going to pull up with something like this. Yours may start out with an AVI, it may turn into something else. Now, Media Encoder is really great because we have all kinds of options that we can encode to here, which is pretty rad. Right, but I'm going to show you the old-fashioned way of doing this. So we are going to do an H.264 file. Okay, so to do this, what I'm going to do is open up this, and I'm simply going to go down to H.264. Okay, and this is good. And right now it says match source high bitrate, which is what we want with the final file that we want. But I'm going to go ahead and open this, and as you can see, this is going to take a second, but this will allow us to actually change sources and things like that. So here we go. All right, this is what opens up. And if we want to, we can then go here to the presets and change it to whatever preset we want. We have all kinds of great presets here, especially down here at the bottom, where if you are producing for the web like YouTube or Vimeo, we have what those standards are here as well, all the way up to 4K. For YouTube, right? But what we want is match source bitrate, which is great. Now, what we want to do as well here is this is where we're going to change where we want this file to go to, right? We can also do it up here, as you can see, if you just want to hit this and it'll open more or less a save as window. But we can do this here as well, where we are going to put this where we want to save it, right? So save it into your folder that you want. Which would either be on your desktop, or if you have a removable hard drive, that's where you would want it as well. Okay, so that's what we were looking for, and then all we have to do here is simply hit OK. So we have to save as, right? We got to make sure that it's named correctly, which this should actually be 1. All right, and then we hit OK and encode it.